siguro unusual, unbecoming, unhinged, unsound mind, unstable. Yung lima na yan, yun lang naman yung gist ng mga sinasabi nila. Unahin na muna natin, dalawa kasi siya eh. One is legal, doon kay DOJ, and then one is a demand for a psychiatric exam doon sa House of Representatives. So, unang-una, pagdasal natin ang Pilipinas dahil we have a Secretary of Justice na hindi alam ang batas. We have a Secretary of Justice na hindi alam ang batas. There is a big difference between talking about desecration of a body and actually desecrating a body. Talking about desecration of a body is not desecration of the dead. Dapat sana siguro, as a lawyer, maintindihan niya yon kagad. But apparently, sabi nga ng iba, pag mabilis ka, meron talagang mga mabagal